first person you actually hire is your first friend. In fact, each friend is really a hire. It's the first relationship you actually have a say in when you create it. Remember, your parents, brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins are all chosen for you. And what criteria do you use to select those friends? Trust, loyalty, ethics, authenticity, honesty, kindness, humor can be some of the most important criteria you leverage in hiring a friend. What are these criteria? Well, actually, they're your core values. When we are young, they form based on the inputs, judgments, and filters of our parents, teachers, neighbors, and society as a whole. They are with us for life. Friends come and go. We make good hires and bad hires there, and our values play a huge role in those that stay on the payroll and those that get fired. So as leaders, I ask you, why don't we base our hiring decisions on our personal values? Some leaders do, and many don't. We hire based on experience, past successes, appearances, credentials, recommendations, and many other factors that we think will make us successful in our role. And look, I get it. Hiring a doctor requires certain levels of authentication. Yeah, here's the thought. Those friendships that you've retained throughout your career in life, what kept them on your pal roll? How about those that got fired? What was frustrating about them? Hint, frustration with others usually means they are stepping on values you hold close to your heart. So let's try something different this hiring season. Let's look to all those that honor our values and that will honor theirs. These will be the best relationships you can forge for your company, organization, and you. Now go out there and find some hippos to hire, cool ones. Be bigger than last year.